welcome to my channel. I'm Alxr, and today's video I'm going to be doing another tutorial on how to lace your Vans Old Skools. I've done so many of these now, and every time I do one they get like really good views, like super popular on my channel, so I figured I'll go ahead and do it on the Vans Old Skools. So I literally just got these in the post. They're the Vans Old Skool white and red checkered. They actually go really well with this jacket. I'm not even going to act like I didn't do that on purpose. So I just got these in the post, and they're the Vans Old Skools red and white checkered. Super clean colourway in my opinion. This is how I'm going to show you to lace them loosely, and this is probably the best way to wear your Vans in my opinion. They look fresh, and plus they're super easy to get on and off. That's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to show you how to lace your Vans Old Skools loosely. Before I get into the video though, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below, turn on that bell to get notifications when I upload, which is pretty regularly. If you do enjoy this video and if it was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up too. So without further ado, I'll get into showing you how to loosely lace your Vans Old Skools like so. Let's get into it. So, getting into it, I've got the Vans on, and for me personally, I think it's much easier to lace your shoes whilst they're on your feet. So I've got them on right now, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to completely unlace both of the shoes. So, getting into it, now that I've taken both the laces out, I'm going to start off with this shoe. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the laces, start threading it through the bottom, and then go from there. So now that the laces are through the bottom like this, just got to take the top parts, these two bits here, hold them together, and then you just pull up so that both of the sides of the laces are even, and keeping the lace flat as you pull up too. So just like that, and now they're even on both sides. So now that we've done this bit, the next bit is to lace them all the way up. And as this is a how to lace your Vans loosely tutorial, as I'll be putting the laces through the holes, I'll be leaving enough gap between the lace and the hole so it's loose. You'll see what I mean as I'm doing it, so I'll just get into it. So going to take the inside lace first, and then put that through the outside. Just like so, and keeping your finger there to make sure that the lace is flat as you pull up, and then leaving that little bit of gap there so we can keep the laces loose. Then taking the outside lace and threading that through the inside hole. And then once again keeping the lace loose, and then pulling up and leaving a little gap just like that. Then once again taking the inside lace and putting it through the outside, and then keeping the laces flat whilst we do so. So just like that, and leave that little gap there once again, and then taking the outside lace and threading that through the inside, and then the inside through the outside, leaving that little gap, and then the outside through the inside, and then the inside through the outside again, and then the outside to the inside. Whilst doing this, making sure the laces are flat so they don't turn, and then from the inside to the outside, keeping the laces flat whilst doing so, and leaving that little gap like that. Then the outside going in through the inside, and then the inside to the outside. So you can leave it like this and not put them through the top hole. However, it's pretty likely that the laces are going to go underneath the shoe and then they'll get dirty. So what I like to do is I like to take the top lace, take the inside one, and then rather than going through the outside, so I lift it up and go through the inside instead. And then so you have that little bit that hangs out the edge, and then taking the outside lace and threading that underneath through the inside. And so they look just like that. So this is what they look like completely finished. You can see the laces just hang over the edge. These bits are super loose, and it's not so much lace that they're going to rub on the floor and get dirty. It's just enough so that you don't have to tie them. They're super comfortable, you know, you can just slip them on very easily. Now that I've done this shoe, I'm going to get onto doing the other, and then I'll show you what they look like completely done at the end on feet. So now once we've got to this top bit and there's that little hole left, just taking the inside lace and putting it underneath rather than over the top, just like so, and then taking the outside lace and putting that underneath, just like that, so the little lace hangs over the edge, keeping them loose. And they look so good like this. This is definitely the best way to wear them in my opinion. So yeah, this is how to loosely lace your Vans Old Skools. In my opinion, these look really good. Super loose, very easy to slip on. You can get them on and off pretty quickly. They just look really fresh this way in my opinion. So yeah, this is how to loosely lace your Vans Old Skools. If you did enjoy this video and if it was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Before I get on to on feet, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Turn the bell to get notifications when I upload, which is pretty regularly. So make sure you subscribe. Leave a thumbs up too if this video was helpful. Without further ado, I'm going to get into showing you what these look like on feet. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it.